I am representing Cytoskeleton for the role of the most important organelle. If you're wondering if it's an actually important organelle because it is a less heard of organelle, then think about it like this. Without an organelle, your cells would be useless blobs and could not function. So I believe the cytoskeleton is the most important organelle in a cell because it provides the much needed structure for the cell to function. With the combination of microtubules, actin filaments, and intermediate filaments working together, the cell can properly function how it is meant to. Without parts of a cytoskeleton, the cell could not move, conduct mitosis, or even keep a solid structure. Microtubules, which basically are conveyor belts, move vesicles, granules, and even other organelles, such as mitochondria, via special attachment proteins. Meaning that without them, other organelles could not properly function and would remain less useful. Although useful when alone, microtubules can also pair up with proteins and form more complex structures, such as cilia and flagella. This is important because cilia and flagella is what sperm use to move. So, without it, your sperm could not find an egg to fertilize, and your species would end up going extinct because you could not reproduce. Actin filaments are what transport chloroplasts to certain areas around the cell for photosynthesis. So yet again, the cytoskeleton is allowing the other organelles to do their work. It also transports vesicles in the endomembrane system. Vesicles are useless without movement, and the endomembrane system is useless without vesicles. So the cytoskeleton also makes the endomembrane system run. Intermediate filaments are also important because they are the reason for mitosis. Mitosis is essential for all cell growth and cell repair. These filaments support and protect other internal organs such as the nucleus. If there was no cytoskeleton, then the cell would completely lose control of its other organelles and would end up ultimately bursting. To win this election, I feel like I should address some of the rather negative things that have been said about my organelle. People have said that cytoskeleton causes mental retardation. I have been linked to two forms of mental retardation. However, cytoskeletons are only the cause for some of the diseases that can cause this. Even if cytoskeleton was not here and the cell could still function somehow, then there would be many more cases of mental retardation, however, because cytoskeleton helps aid the proper amount of chromosomes into each cell during mitosis. Everyone should be able to look past this fact, though, and should still vote for me because once I am elected, I plan to make every cell better and stronger than before. So when voting, please think of these cells, do the right thing, and pick cytoskeleton.